Thinking about replacing your roof, or just wondering why your homeowner's insurance is so high? The type of roof on your house plays a big role in how much you pay for insurance. Let's walk through the most common roof types and how each one impacts your homeowner's insurance premiums. Let's start with the most common, asphalt shingles. They're affordable, easy to install, and usually last 15 to 30 years. Insurance companies typically give you standard rates, but if your roof is older or worn out, your premium could go up, or you might not get the full coverage. Weather damage to asphalt shingles is ballooning insurance payouts lately, so there is a chance that insurance companies will begin to exclude shingle replacement in future policies. Next up, metal roofs. These are popular for their durability and fire resistance. They can last up to 70 years and often lead to lower premiums, especially in wildfire or storm-prone areas. The upfront cost is higher, but insurers like the long-term protection. Then there's tile roofing, made from clay or concrete. It's long-lasting and fire-resistant, but here's the catch. Tiles are expensive to replace, so you may pay more in premiums even if they reduce fire risk. Slate roofs are beautiful and built to last, some over 100 years, but the cost to repair or replace them is sky high. That's why insurance for slate roofs tend to be more expensive. Wood shake shingles look great, especially on rustic homes, but insurance companies often raise rates because they're more flammable and vulnerable to decay. In wildfire zones, some insurance might not cover them at all. If you have a flat roof, your premiums might be higher. Why? These roofs have drainage issues and are more prone to leaks. Insurers consider that a higher risk. Finally, green roofs covered in plants are great for the environment, but they're heavy, expensive, and require maintenance, which means some insurance may charge more or not offer coverage at all. A related issue is whether you have solar panels on your roof. This is a wild card. Depending on the type of solar panels and whether they are integrated or mounted, solar panels could raise premiums. However, some companies offer green home or energy efficient discounts. As a homeowner, you could even consider adding a specific rider to insure your solar panels. It's not just the materials that matter. Roof age and condition play a big role. An older roof, that could raise your premiums or reduce your payout after damage. Also, roof shape makes a difference. Hip roofs, sloped on all sides, are better in high winds and can lead to lower rates. Gabled roofs with just two slopes are more vulnerable to wind damage, especially in hurricanes. There are a handful of things you can do to save money on premiums. Keep your roof well maintained. Ask your insurer about impact-resistant shingle discounts. And always let your insurer know when you replace or upgrade your roof. It could unlock savings. Your roof protects your home, and it plays a big part in what you pay to insure it. If you're not sure how your roof is affecting your premiums, or want to see if you can get a cheaper premium, consider working with an independent insurance agent. They are experts on all things insurance and work for you. They can help you get the best coverage for the lowest possible price. If you want to find an independent insurance agent in your area, visit us at the Yukon Project. Our partner is a nationwide independent insurance agent that has a relationship with over 200 insurance companies, so they know what they're talking about. If you found this information helpful, consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us out, and we really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.